This week's class I had go over this topic, but we were not able to run the code because of the time limitations. So, and I had said that I will do a recording for this code. So this is in this recording, in this video, we will run this code and I will explain what is going on. So let's look at this code and what we are trying to do. Let's say that we have an SVG file, and then we want to remove one of the rows from that, and then we want to define it in this as a parameter. So let's look at, for instance, we have this CSV file. So if you just double click on it, then what we will see is it will automatically open in this numbers application, and then it will visualize the data. Here is our data. But actually, if we open the same application with in a text editor, what we will see is this kind of a very simple document in which we have only the column names, the header, and then the rows. Each of them is separated by a comma, because this is a CSV file. Now the question is, I said that we just want to remove this one, the row that has partner number 3. Okay, so after we run the code, there should be only 1, 2, and 4 rows. So let's do that. And I had already copied this code to my Python, so let's see how we can do it. We defined this delete item function. I said that we want to remove this third one, so I put 3, and then let's go over the code. Now first we need to import this OS library, because at the end of the file we want to do some file, want to remove a file and also rename it. Then we first open our parts.csv file in a reading mode, and then we keep it in this parts file, and then we first read the read line. It gives us the first line, and this is the header. So if we go to our data again, so we will be basically able to read this line, and this is the header part. Then what I want to do is I will open a new file called temp.csv, and in the writing mode. So I'm creating a new file actually, and I will copy this header to this temp file in the following. So basically I will copy this parts.csv into another one, but my algorithm will be is that I will not copy the one that I want to delete. So what I should do next is I need to read this parts file, which is parts.csv file, line by line by using this for loop. And then at each line I will split this text based on the comma, because this is a CSV file, and I just need only the first column, because part no as the first column, and I will do this elimination by the first value, so that's why I put 1. And then this execution will give me the first column in this part no, and all the rest that I'm not interested in will be kept in this others variable. Then I will check, okay, if this number as a given a parameter, if it is equal to what I am looking, if the line, the part no number is equal to what I am looking for. So part no, but this will return me as a string, but I'm giving it as an integer, so that's why I need to convert it to integer. And I'll check, okay, is this the number that I'm looking for? If it is not, which means that I should not delete it. So that's why I will write this line to my temporary file. So, and I will do all these for each line. Whenever I reach the line 3, the partner number is 3, what will happen is, okay, my number is 3 is not equal to 3, it's false. So that's why we will not run this, which means that we will not copy the row that has the partner number 3. Then we will close both our files, and then what happened is now we have two files. One of them is parts.csv and the other one is temp.csv. So we have to remove this, because now this is an invalid file. So I will use this OS library that I had imported here by using its remove function. I will remove it, delete that file. Now what I have is I have this temp.csv file, but this is not my original file's name, so I need to rename it. So I will use this rename function, which will basically give the name of parts.csv to the temp.csv file. Now when we run this code, of course there's this one mistake, which is I just put part.csv, but this is not its library direction. I need to get its full direction, full path, which is my desktop library, so desktop path. So I need to put it also here and also here, otherwise it will not put this files in the part that I'm looking for. And I need to put, of course, these commas so that, okay, my path is now correct. So let me run this code. Okay, we got this error, which is, well, we again the same issue, the file does not exist there. Yes, so we have to also change its name into, we really need to specify its path correctly. So I'll do this. Now I'm referring to the file that is in my desktop, and then now, as you can see, is correctly run. And let's check it the document now. So what I need to do is I just need to reopen that. Let's see if there's any row number 3. No, 1, 2, 4. So it is one. It is removed. So our calculation, our execution is correct. And that's it. Thank you for listening.